The drug company CEO who caused outrage when he raised the price of a medication by more than 5,000% was put in handcuffs today.
Federal authorities charged him with securities fraud. CBS 2's Sonia Rincon has the story from the federal courthouse in downtown Brooklyn.
Martin Shkreli walked out of federal court in the pouring rain and sunglasses after pleading not guilty to an indictment alleging he was responsible for defrauding hundreds of investors.
Shkreli essentially ran his companies like a Ponzi scheme, where he used each subsequent company to pay off defrauded investors from the prior company.
Federal prosecutor Robert Capers says Shkreli lied to investors about how much his hedge fund, MSMB Capital, was worth.
When he lost the $3 million that he'd gotten through a series of bad trades, he didn't tell his investors that he lost their money. Instead, Shkreli started a new hedge fund, which you'll see, called MSMB Healthcare, which he founded in 2011. And here again, he lied to the investors in the same way.
Then he, with the help of attorney Evan Griebel, allegedly used the money to start the pharmaceutical company Retrofin. There, they're accused of misappropriating $11 million, all the while lying about it.
These charges in today's indictment highlight the brazenness and the breadth of Shkreli's schemes and the outrageous web of lies and deceit weaved by both defendants, Shkreli and Griebel.
Shkreli was arrested at his Midtown apartment this morning on securities and wire fraud.
These charges announced today describe a securities and wire fraud trifecta of lies, deceit, and greed.
Earlier this year, Shkreli spoke with CBS News about the outrage over his current company's price hike of an AIDS drug from $13.50 to $750 a pill.
There's no doubt I'm a capitalist. I'm trying to create a big drug company, a successful drug company, a profitable drug company. We're trying to flourish, but we're also, our first and primary stakeholder is patients. There's no doubt about that.
He claimed the massive price increase would help patients by helping fund research for a better drug. But critics didn't buy it. Donald Trump called Shkreli a spoiled brat. And when Hillary Clinton suggested lowering the cost, he responded on Twitter with LOL. Shkreli smiled in court. He posted $5 million bail and agreed to stay in the New York area. Outside Brooklyn Federal Court, Sonia Rincon, CBS 2 News.
And viewers have been telling us on our Facebook page what they think of Mr. Shkreli's arrest, and not surprisingly, nobody feeling sympathetic. Melvin, for example, wrote, "Unconscionable behavior, Mr. Shkreli. You can run, but you cannot hide." Michael says the government should charge him $1,000 an hour for the investigation, prosecution, incarceration. See how it feels. And this one from Lee, "You couldn't slap the smile off my face right now."